How to disconnect YouTube account from TV or how to log out your account from TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnet and today I'll guide you on how you can disconnect your YouTube from TV. Well, on your smart TV you can simply open up the YouTube app, go to settings and select the link devices and unlink all devices if you wish to disconnect them, and you'll get the option to log out as well, so you can simply log out. But if you want to do it from your phone, you can simply go ahead and open up the YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you want to head into your profile and then tap on the Google account option there on the screen. Here under Google account, now you want to choose your Google account here. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that you're logged in on your TV. Then you want to head into security option. Once under security, if you scroll down below, here you should see the option that says where you are signed in, and tap on manage all devices. Once you do so, here if you are logged in on TV as well, it'll show up right here. You can tap on it and then you'll get the option to remove it or sign out, so you can go ahead and sign it out from your TV. So this way you can disconnect YouTube on TV. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.